Oh, hi there. Do you know you can finish the ICAN Case Study syllabus in just 10 days? Sounds funny, right? Well, come, let me share the secrets with you. So let's do the math. In a day, how many hours do you have? 24. That means in 10 days, you have a total of 240 hours available for you to do anything you want. Of course, I don't expect you to spend the entire 240 hours reading. Come on, you're not solving a global problem. You're just studying for ICAN Case Study. But let's imagine, let's say you dedicate just 6 hours per day to reading. That will give you a total of 60 hours for the entire 10 days. And the beauty of it is that you don't have to sit down for the entire 6 hours once. You can split it 3 hours in the morning or 3 hours in the evening. Or you can treat it like a paracetamol prescription. 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and 2 in the evening. And your goals will be achieved. That was why I came up with this challenge, the FIT challenge. Finish the syllabus. Wow. Yes, we are going to finish the ICAN Case Study syllabus in just 10 days. It sounds like an impossible task, but trust me, it is very, very workable. And I know that it's going to be difficult a little bit. That was why I created a PDF for you. So go to the description of this video right now and download the PDF. The PDF contains the tasks that you do for the entire 10 days. I have arranged the syllabus in such a way that it's going to be easy for you to actually complete it in 10 days. And I also attached links to videos that you can watch that would help you study. I know you have hundreds and thousands of questions to ask while studying. That was why I created a question form. And in that same PDF, the link to the question form is there. So if you have any question, you can just drop it there. A day or 2 days after the challenge ends, I'm going to compile all those questions and create a video where I'll be answering all your questions. And the challenge is going to start on the 26th of April 2026 and it's going to end on the 5th of May 2026. And what you have to do to join, all you have to do is just join the WhatsApp group page. It's my WhatsApp group page. If you haven't joined yet, the link to the WhatsApp group page is also in the PDF. Just click on the link and join the page because I'll be posting updates every day for the entire 10 days. And just so that you don't miss anything out, it's better for you to join. If you know that anybody's going to benefit from this thing, yeah, make sure you share this video with them. Let's help people. It's time for us to back that ACA. Yes, this diet is hashtag no green for ICAN. Are you with me? Yes. So I'm going to see you on the 26th of April. Bye.